Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you saw in the description box, I'm gonna be doing some keto slash low carb finds in Target, if there is any, because I've never been to do like a grocery shopping to Target. So let's see how it goes. So I decided to do a voiceover for this video because it was really noisy. The first thing that I saw was this brownless, I think. I don't remember the brand of this puff. You can see the ingredients. Not the best, but something that we can work with. Not as much carbs compared with the Siete chips that I'm obsessed. I wasn't expecting to find these churros. As you saw, I'm obsessed with lime. Like I was saying, I wasn't expecting to find these churros. This has more carbs than the organic puff that I got. Clean ingredients, some stuff that I can pronounce. As you can see, another bag of Siete lime because they are my favorites. These are the ones that I always get, or my husband gets for me. Pretty much the same ingredients as the organic one, but hey. So this part I just fast forward because I don't know why my camera wasn't focusing. And by the way, I didn't find any snack on this aisle that was remotely healthy, so I didn't waste enough time, and that's why it's fast forward. So I did find some cookies, the high key mini cookie, but I tried them before and they just taste to me like almond flour. They don't have any taste to it. Wisps, I was obsessed like a few months ago. Now I'm like ugh. But that's a good option for snack. If you like stuff crunchy, cheesy, you can add that to your salad. But yeah, I'm over them. So here is the candy section. They have a lot of zero sugar candy. I was pleasantly surprised because I never seen this amount except obviously Walmart. I haven't seen that amount of sugar-free-ish candy outside of Walmart and also online. We're going through the soda slash nuts section. I did found the stevia. Like the few times that I came here before was looking for the stevia. They didn't have the grape one, so that's the only one that I really like without adding anything. They also have variety of Coke Zero. You have the mini, they have the bottles, they have also Dr. Pepper. I've never tried Dr. Pepper before, so I don't know if it's any good. They have also the Pepsi Zero. I like that one too, but I prefer the Coke on it, to be honest. I'm not a huge fan of Gatorade, but this is a good option if you want to try them. Like you see, I'm here in the cereal area, skipping through because I didn't see anything in this aisle. A good amount of healthy fats, ghee, coconut oil, like you see over here. I'm good with that, so I don't need anything. By the way, you're gonna see in the next video what I actually got on this trip to Target. I did found the Swerve. I used to love that sugar. I don't buy it as much. I'm in the pasta slash rice aisle. I did found this Banza pasta from made with chickpeas, so that's a good source of fiber. Well, at least has some fiber, good ingredients. Well, at least ingredients that I can read. I also found this lentil penne pasta, the same ingredients that I can eat. Actually, this one is only one ingredient, the lentil flour, so that's a win for me. I also saw some brown rice. I'm getting into brown rice again. So they have a lot of options. Now I see some spaghetti sauce. I know I don't want to hear it. I'm looking for good ingredients that I can read. The lesser the ingredients, the better. I'm not being picky. Carb balance, that's my go-to. I didn't know they have the whole wheat one option, so that's news. It was the plant power, this one with high protein. I didn't know that either, that they have so many options. This is new to me. So pasta, I love Annie's. Mac and cheese, I can read the ingredients. The sauce, I know, but hey, better this one than the other brands that had some ingredients that I have no idea what it is. It's regular pasta, so I didn't know that there were these many different types of chicken broth. This is news to me again. I'm used to see like the clean one, or maybe that because that was the one that I was looking for. So I don't know if it's me. Didn't know about this bone broth. This brand carry bone broth. So yeah, that's a huge surprise. So they did have ketchup. Now that I like ketchup after 30 plus years that I didn't eat ketchup, they have ketchup with simple ingredients, no artificial sugars added, just pure sugar. I'm not doing that like you saw previously. I've been doing the sugar-free or non-sugar added ketchup. Good amount of or good options. I don't like this mayo. It's good ingredients, good macros, but I personally don't like the taste. So if you like the taste, you can find it here. Yeah, I don't like that taste. They have some dressings. I know what you are thinking. But yeah, they have a good amount of dressing. If you don't care a lot of the ingredients and you are looking more on the macros, you have some options here. So I was really excited to see this bread because I haven't seen it on other stores. I heard a lot of this brand, but never seen it before, so I haven't been able to try it or look at the actual macros. A lot of different brands of peanut butter. I'm again pleasantly surprised on the different brands that I have never seen or heard before. Not fan of almond butter. Tried it, don't like it. Not for me. But yeah, small, but they have some frozen veggies, so that's never bad. It doesn't matter that if they are organic or not. My doctor said, at least you're eating your veggies, so that's a plus. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm obsessed with Quest pizzas. They are really, really tasty. The only thing that I do is adding more cheese because I love me some cheese. But decent ingredients, the taste is there. You're getting some protein, so hey. Protein pizza, one not to love. As you can see here, it's blurry, but they have some good amounts of fruit, but it was getting a little bit busier. So here, if you're transitioning from junk food to start to eating healthy, this is a great option just to start, not to keep and staying there because it won't help. But yeah, they have a good amount of frozen veggies. You can ask for something better. That way you avoid them to go bad on the fridge. That's my way of thinking when I'm buying veggies. Too good. Yogurt, not bad, but I prefer the Oikos one because they have a lot of protein. They have some good options. Like this one that is 0 artificial sweetener, 0 added sugar, 0 fats. So yeah, Oikos is one of my top yogurts to get. Some greens. As you know, greens always are good veggies. The more colors in your plates, the better. Here's some cold hams, prosciutto. This is a good way of snack. You have options. It has crackers, but hey, you can skip it all together or just have a few. Not bad ingredients. It could be better, but if you are in a pinch, this is a good option. They also have some good cheeses over here. I'm sorry again for the blurriness. This camera, I don't know. I wanted it to be clever and do it with my phone, but I don't know what's going on, honestly. This creamer caught my eye, honestly. Non-dairy, pumpkin spice. But I don't know. Only 1 tablespoon, and I don't know. I don't know. I stick with what I know for the moment. I've been trying to find like a creamer with good ingredients that is not only fat and sweetener, and haven't found anything. So yeah. One of my favorite snacks. I like the full fat, but they don't have it. I've never seen it on the portion packaging, so I don't know if they have it. Not bad. 2% fat. I don't like how it tastes because I think if I feel that it tastes like watered down. I don't know if it may be me, but yeah, it's an option. I eat them because I really like it, but yeah, I would prefer the full fat better. But hey, it is what it is. So here in the meat aisle, or quote unquote meat, because it's really tiny. Yeah, it makes sense because this store doesn't have any butcher in the store. I've been on the hunt for a good kombucha because I've been hearing a lot of benefits from it. So I've been on the hunt for a kombucha that it tastes great, because the name, I don't know. I heard good resources, good reviews about this California citrus. So yeah, that's the one that I'm gonna try to see if it's really good and see what I'm missing. Because honestly, I saw this one as well. Finally found the good snacking aisle. It was the pharmacy. They have a lot of quests. And again, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm obsessed. It is not because of I was on Quest Squad, because I was a fan of them before that. That's why I decided to join. So you can see here the ingredients, macros of the one. Never tried it. I don't know how to feel about them. So I have to do some research. That one definitely caught my eye. Peanut butter, chocolate, sign me in. Decent ingredients, decent macros. So yeah, 20 grams of protein. You cannot beat that, honestly. Also, I eat salted caramel. Sign me in as well. I just recently discovered salted caramel, and now I want to eat salted caramel everything. Ooh, and also I forgot about this one. Get gooey caramel. Chocolate on everything tastes mostly good except mint. I cannot get myself to try chocolate on mint or chocolate with mint. I don't know. Salted caramel protein, never seen on the store before. I thought it was a myth, but yeah, they have it as well. Not bad ingredients, not bad macros, but I have at home some protein. Salted caramel. This, I've been seeing this over and over again on Instagram and finally found it. I never thought that I was gonna find it here. So this is it, you guys. I saw a lot of stuff. I never pay attention because if I've been in a Target like 5 times in my entire life, I think I'm over counting or overestimating. So I never pay attention to the grocery section. Only once that I came specifically to buy something, some Zevia. That was the only time that I was paying attention to the grocery section. But yeah, they have a lot of stuff. If you want to know what I got, stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, ring that bell, because I'm gonna do a separate video, because I don't want to I'm gonna do a separate video on all the stuff that I got. Make sure you have subscribed, because that's my next video. Like I always say, sharing is caring, and don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye.